Hi, Wilson again from Gifter. Now, in this video, we will see how you can add a lead or a corporate or a lead of a direct customer. On the sideboard, you will see a page called My Leads. You can just go through it. You have two options how you can add the leads. Either you can just click on Add Contact, where you can add two types of lead, add a corporate client or you can add a direct customer. Or the second option is if you're bored to add one contact or one corporate, one at a time, then you can just click on add leads in bulk. You can download the template, add all the details in the sheet, and you can upload the file. It's very easy. Now let's add a contact manually. Now let's say if I want to add a corporate client. Now first it will ask me the name of the company. You can either select the existing companies which you have already registered as a client, or else you can just add a new company. Let's say if I say Shah Tech Private Limited, right? I click on add Shah Tech Private Limited. Then you can assign the lead to any of your account manager or the sales manager. You can add a new branch. Say they have a branch in Mumbai and that's their Mumbai headquarter. You can select one of the departments. I select HR department. Then you can put the name of the contact, say Raj, and I add his number. You can add your email ID. You can add his position. Now let's say suppose he is an HR executive, right? And then either you can say if you know if he's the concerned person who looks after gifting in his company, and you can just say he's the concerned person. Now it will ask you a role if he's the influencer or the decision maker. Let's say he's an executive, will mark him as an influencer, and then I say save contact. Now you'll find all the details about Raj over here. Now you see you can either call Raj or click on WhatsApp. It will take you to WhatsApp. You can add reminder for a call or for a meeting or to message him. You can edit the contact from here. You can add a requirement on his name. Now let's see how the leads, you can see the leads in the leads section. Now if I go in the companies, we see the Shah Tech Private Limited over here, right? Now I believe that every company have different branches. Every branch will have different departments, right? Now if you'll see the complete hierarchy over here. So you see the Shah Tech Private Limited company, you see the branch, you see the department and the contact number, right? So if you just click on view details of the company, if you go on edit, you can add all the details over here: the industry, the company type, number of employees, the address of the company. If the company has multiple GST numbers, then you can just add multiple GSTs over here, and then you can also add the company LinkedIn link, which will help you in the future, right? Now let's say discard and close. You can add multiple branches over here. If I click on the branch, you can add more branch, you can add more departments. Each department will have a few details over here. So whatever events that particular department does, say for example, if they give you a welcome kit event in every January, so you can add over here. Say suppose if they do and they need anniversary gifts every December, you can do this, and then your calendar will show you in what month which company has a requirement, right? So it will be easier for you to manage all your leads over here. So you can filter it out as per the lead owners, industry, all the stages, right? Now you have cold, warm, hot, client and regular client. Now these are all automated, right? If you have a contact in your My Leads, and if it's not a concerned person, then it goes in the cold, so the complete company be there in the cold. If the contact is say is a concerned person, then the lead moves to the warm. When they start giving the requirement, the contact moves to hot. Once they give a order, they move to the client, and then once they give more than three orders, the lead or the client moves to the regular client. So you can find all the contacts over here. You can find all the direct customers over here. Now the direct customers, I mean the customers who might give you orders for, say, for their wedding, or so it's all personal gifting, right? So this is the corporate gifting, this is the personal gifting, and all the contacts will be visible over here, right? If you have any doubts, just give me a call. You can find my contact details over here. You can, if you just click on contact gifter, you will be able to directly get in touch with me. All right, thank you, bye bye. In the next session, we will see how to add a requirement and how to manage it. All right, see ya, bye bye, take care.